IPOLISIN LUKA ASTUs kesde tolomon na kalo na nyetakin aituturo tomano KOSOMERO KEC LUKA OLILIM district alodo KATAKWI. IPOLISIN kesda lemajasa isisia eipone loda peruna dui aitosomi modun lwapolok nepeka jaiche boroda.
Officers who are the lead commanders, more so the platoon commander and the section commanders, they have to go and carry out a rec to find out the real suitable place for laying an ambush. And when they bring the men, then they come and
Lwe aitosa ituturo na kesda baka sebe epelekintos kesim aitolotono anoda enakini ASTUs aijen na de doliti anuda ikamakin kedai warriors ludo karamoja.
Commenced on 22nd November 2022 and has covered a period of 8 weeks with a total number of 104 trainees who started, and as I talk, there are 95 trainees. 5 were given RTU on medical ground, and 4 escaped from the training because they could not withstand its pressure. But again, 2 came back and they are pending disciplinary court.
So training is very, very key in ensuring that Karamoja can have peace. And as ASTU, we are maintaining the focus on training. Last year we also had our internal training where we had 2 inductions. One, the first group was 100 trainees, which went from 7th Feb to 22nd Feb, and the second group of 103 came on 17th March and passed out in April. All this was intended to improve proficiency and gain confidence of our personnel in the field.
So that we have equipped you with all these tactics, movement techniques, ambushes, counter ambushes, raids. You need to look at them, reflect on everything, and discipline is the key as you apply them. Ethics remain ethical, meaning that do the right thing at all times, but in space of battle, split-second decisions are very critical.
Commanders must come and train with the rest. Because you cannot command what you don't know. You cannot command people. You cannot educate. You cannot lead when you are ignorant. So you must train with your officers so that you don't guide those who are better than you. How can you guide somebody who is better than you?
You know these warriors, when you are planning against them, they are also planning ahead of us. When you put intelligence, they are also putting intelligence. So it depends who has more effective intelligence than the other.
Elias Kasirabo nodere komanda ngonoka ASTUs nyizda buisi nyikoiki lwafande abongonore reiki nitungada lo chalo merai longu iriria ikech ebenare jasto manaswam.
also life after police, after retiring. So we shall have always guided you on that. Make sure when you come to Karamoja, get time, get passive, get leave, go and meet your families. So I found personnel who had stayed 3 years, 4 years, 6 years without going home.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, KATAKWI.